Welcome to Mohawk College Co-Curricular Record. In this video, we'll show you how to create a position on the CCR database. Let's get started. First, log on to your My Mohawk account. Once you're logged in, select the Campus Life tab. Scroll to the bottom of the page and select the Co-Curricular Record button. From there, you will be brought to the Career Ready page. On the left, click on the CCR tab and ensure that the Staff Role tab is selected. Click on the blue Request Activity button. Select one of the two Validator options. If you select option B, make sure you fill out the required fields. Then scroll down to select the period, category, and activity. Next, choose the Check Activity for Existing Positions button. This allows you to ensure that your position isn't already listed on the CCR. If your position isn't already listed, continue to scroll down and fill out the mandatory fields. A minimum of 5 hours is required for time tracking. The position description must be 75 words or less, written in past tense, and in paragraph format. Then enter your contact information and select Yes for both options. From there, select 5 to 10 applicable achievement statements that you think are potential learning outcomes for students. Then hit Save. Your position will now sit pending until it is approved. Now you're all set. Mohawk College, Career Ready.